everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck, VIP. And you can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. Check out my website, tellystalkinchuck.ca, for all my finished pieces. Well, some of them that we haven't actually uploaded yet, but from a lot of them. Today we are going to be working on
unboxing first.
Unboxing first. Let's do that before I totally forget again. I know I was supposed to do that yesterday. I can't see anything because that's on there, but hey. Alright, so let's do this. We have an unboxing I was supposed to do yesterday and totally forgot, so let's do it. Alright. You don't need to see that. I haven't because you yelled at me. Well, this is wacky. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm over here, but I'm sharing out because it's over here. That's not what I want. Alright, so, share. Alright, we're good. Got that all done. I'm coming back to do the unboxing. So we're gonna toss that over there too. We don't need that either. Oh, I got that. I didn't realize I was getting that too. Alright, so I don't know about you, but I love coffee. So, which way should I do this? This way or this way? This way. So it says, love is brewing, fresh, daily. And then, blah, 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 coffee. I will show it this way, just because. I'm sorry, I'm a little excited over these things. Alright, so this one is work hard, snack often, and love you to the fridge and back. I think these are. Oh no! What? Am I?
Yes.
Oh. Oh yeah, because we fixed it so that it's right for me. I forget. I did it the other way for the first one, but. Alright. Then we have, this is our last one of these three. It's cook, eat, clean, repeat. I don't know about you, but that seems like what we do, especially when we're all locked up. Alright, so one thing that I didn't expect that was in this is our Club Couture. Now, if you want to know about Club Couture, hashtag club in the comments. Because Club Couture is a subscription box where you get a transfer once a month with 3 paste packets for just $19.99 a month, or I believe $27.99 Canadian. Well, I don't think they change it up until next year. But anyway. But this is April's. And I can't wait. I saw this one and I was all about it. I think the hummingbird is so pretty, and the flowers. And it says, a beautiful thing is never perfect. And I need to live by that thing. I'll move it up just a tiny bit for you to see the bottom part. So we will be doing this one pretty soon. I'm going to show it up like this. But that is our Club Couture. Us as designers don't get the paste packets with it because we already have our colors. So that's why we only get the actual transfer. But you will get paste packets that go along with each and every one of these, of the Club Coutures. So if you want to join Club Couture, let me know and I will be happy to get you all signed up. You can go to my website at chalkcouture.com/Telly's Talkin' Chalk, where you can actually sign up right from that page. Not that page, but that works. That one will take you to the other two pages, whether you're in Canada or the US. So you can take that one. I just went a little too far. Alright, so, but again, what we are working on, okay, so these are our simple shapes. They come as a pack of 2. It's a pack of 4?
2 shapes, 4 each.
They come in packs of 2. I ordered 4 of them. Alright, really? They're 2 shapes each? Oh, they come with 2 and 2. I've been corrected. I just only took 2 of them. But we got our square and our circle. We're going to be working on our circle. Which side did I put the... Oh, that side. And we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did yesterday, except we're going to put it on this wooden surface. So, what's nice about these... Okay, so I went and I waxed these just so that it doesn't stick too hard because it's wood and it's sticky. These are reusable transfers 8 to 12 times, and so on wood they can be very, very sticky. So we don't want that. So we wax it, and I've already used it once, so I'm not going to actually fuzz the actual transfer. So we did this in brown first last time. I'm trying to remember what we did yesterday. All in colors. I needed to put more water in here again. But you saw what happened yesterday when I put water on here and sprayed it all over my place. That's not enough. Alright, so this is not our creamy dreamy paste. We have more creamy dreamy paste. If you order paste, that's all you'll get is our creamy dreamy. This is our old batch that I'm still trying to use. So just making sure that this is stuck down as tightly as it can be. Again, I've waxed it, so it might be a pain. And you're just going to drag it on through. It's really simple. It would be easier if it was a little more creamy at the moment. But if you had gotten old paste at some point, all you had to do was add some distilled water and it would loosen back up. I just didn't remember to do that before I got back on live. So just going over it pretty evenly as you can, just to keep the color the same. Oh. Try not to go over the sides too, unless you're actually trying to. So that is our first layer.
Give his cheek.
Where? Oh, there is this. Okay, can you not just yell though? Because I don't see it just by screaming it. And don't put your hand in it because then you bring it up too. There we go. Now we're doing this guy. Oh, I need to dry. guess I just realized what I just did. Peel it off before you do that, before you ruin your transfer. Stay. Alright, so now we need, which one am I going after? This one. Now this will just line up like the other one did. Try to make it exact, but if you don't, it's fine. I didn't do it exactly yesterday either, I noticed. But I wonder if it wasn't actually even supposed to be. Because I did it as good as I could. Alright, so now we're going to go back in with our black. Oh, I picked the wrong black. Oh well. So this time I actually used our sparkly black. Our glimmer. Shadow, I think. That's what this one's called. But you can use whatever colors you want. Nobody said you had to be any. He had to be any certain color. But this one will make it all sparkly, which is kind of cool. But it also shows you like how you can do it in different colors. And this is all on different surfaces too, which is fun. So we're just thinning this out. Then we're going to peel that off and dry it. I'm going to have to dry this really hard because this black is actually really runny. So this one might take me a little bit. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group. And follow or check me out on YouTube and Instagram as well. Check out my website, tellystalkingchalk.ca, for all my finished pieces. And links to the business site. It keeps falling over. Don't know why. Alright, now we are doing his eyes. And this will be our last piece. Ooh, this wood's actually really warm. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna give it a second. Oh yeah. Okay, so I've got 2 more pieces. But that's really warm, so I'm gonna give it a second to cool off. Because I almost burnt my hand on the wood. That's how hot it was. I'm trying to figure out exactly where his face is. Alright. Oh, that's still really warm. Eucalyptus. Now this is the creamy dreamy stuff. I love it. Again, if you order anything, that's what you'll be getting now. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know when you're seeing this. Let me know where you're seeing this. That would be awesome. I'm going to pull that up really quick because this is super warm, so it might stick. Oh, he's a little more cloudy-eyed on the one side for some reason. But that's okay. We can deal with it. And now we're going to put his cheeks on. I think that might have been just because it was so warm. It just probably got brought up with it. And your little cheekies. Somewhere around there. We'll use the eucalyptus again. Oh, there's a hair. Or, not a hair, but a piece of string. There we go. Scrape all the excess, put it back in the jar. I'm going to pull this back up. And he's so cute. So if you check out yesterday's craft and see this one, you can get him hair. I can't talk though, but hey. That is all I have for you today. If you like this, give it a thumbs up or a heart, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.